So today I'm going to be trying out life hacks and we're going to see if they work or not and get ready to be exposed. I kind of stumbled with the words right before exposed. I'm like, I just want to say expose.
You're like, I just want to expose everybody, but I don't want them to come at me.
We out here trying to expose people.
We out here trying to expose all you fake accounts. All you.
The most interesting hack ever, equal slices of tomatoes.
First things first, tomatoes. And we're gonna need lids, so lids. Okay, so in the video, it kind of just looked like this lid was like upward or inward. I'm not, like. So if you have your lids, do this. And we're gonna, they use like baby tomatoes, but I don't know. And then this top one, hold on. And then just like, whatever. So I'm not gonna try to fix them. And then they put the lid, trying to hold it. And I just realized I need a knife. Okay, so in the video, it just looks like they hold it down. And apparently this should give you perfectly cut tomato slices. I don't know, there's no like talking or any words in this video, so we're gonna try it. I'm gonna do it this way actually. Pika, please get away for your, oh my gosh. Maybe this is why they use baby tomatoes. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're literally, oh, I have an old tomato. They're literally perfect. I'm actually kind of shocked that this worked. So, I'm kind of like, ooh. I mean, to be honest, I feel like, this doubles like as a cutting board. I guess that's a life hack for some people. Anyways, next. Our next life hack is basically, I guess, how to peel a garlic clove. Okay, well then let's just freaking try it. They basically peel it up until you have just the cloves themselves. So I don't want to make a mess. This is just a mess. Okay, so they peel it. Now that I'm gonna have to mix it up with garlic every day, so these don't go bad. So you peel it. Wouldn't it just be better if you put it in here and see if they all finished peeling? They keep peeling. They open it up. Actually, they hit this. Okay, so basically you need to have something like this left over, which at that point, I just feel like I would just keep peeling them. Like, I'm not gonna take some time, go get a container, or we'll see. I don't know, maybe you need a bunch of garlic for a baby shower or something. I don't know. Let's just try it. I'm not gonna put all of these in there. I'm just gonna, let's do these three. And it doesn't even say how long you're supposed to shake this for, so we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna say let's see, because I can literally see that they are still. Let me just put these in there. Maybe I didn't do it long enough.
This is literally like the same container they're using, so you guys can say that.
You want some garlic? Gross. Okay. No. I'm honestly not even disappointed because I don't even know what to say. You've been exposed. Internet, you've been exposed. Okay, so our next one is literally committing a cardinal sin, and that's burning bread. Which, if you know me, I love bread, I love carbs, I love anything. Don't talk smack on them because I will come for you. So in this one, basically they just burn toast Well, I mean, if you burn it on accident, which I cannot have anything. Oh my gosh, really? Let's just try and see what happens. Okay, I'll just put to number 6. I wonder like why these exist. If you put it on here, it's gonna burn for sure. So why does this even exist? Okay.
For other life hacks.
Okay, guys. As I thought, it is burnt. I guess some people like number 6 bread. Okay. So apparently,
If you just rub it together for a few seconds, it should come off. Okay.
so some of this stuff is coming off, I can see, but so is my bread. I mean, let's rewatch this. I forgot what my outcome's supposed to look like. Okay, yeah, definitely no. They literally were like, and that's it. The backside is still burnt too, though. So, I mean, I guess if this was like the last slice of bread in the house and you had no money and you were craving it that bad, maybe you might decide that this is an adequate slice of toast for you to consume. Okay. Once again, you've been exposed, internet. Now my laptop's full of crumbs. I just thought this was weird. Oh. Okay, I see. Cut off the back of the bottle. Oh, the front. Huh. Okay. Okay. So I have my soapy water or bubble solution. Do not have a panda sock. So if it doesn't work, it's probably because of the panda sock. And so they just cut off the back portion. Let's see. And then they put the sock over this portion. Cool. Actually, where the stitching is, I'm gonna move it to the side. And I don't know if it'll interfere with the bubble making. So, let us see. And, okay. Kinda nervous. Oh my gosh, it actually works. Wow, okay. I mean, this is, I don't know when you would do this. I'm already like out of breath.
For the kids.
Yeah, for the kids. Oh, when they're taking a bubble bath, I don't know. I mean, and this is literally just using like Dawn and water. You can like do this like a craft with your child or something and leave this as part of their toys.
Or
and
just 3 a.m. you're bored.
Yeah, 3 a.m. you're bored, have nothing to do. It's bubbles. They said do this and you're gonna have bubbles, and we have bubbles. So I'm actually shocked that this is the only one that actually works, because I don't know. I would find the garlic one more useful. That way I don't have to peel it, because I literally have no nails, but I guess you're not exposed. You were telling the truth. Cool.
Exposed for the truth.
Wait, I gotta freaking clean this shit up. How did somebody come up with this? Like, what were they doing that they said, hey, let's get a bottle, cut it open, put your sock over it, dip it in bubble soapy water stuff, and we're gonna get bubbles. If you guys like the life hacks that I tested out and exposed, let me know. If you want me to expose any other, let me know as well. Or if you have any that you've seen and that you know don't work, expose them in the comment section below and let us all know.